This is an overview of the Untangle app in Snowflake MultiTeach. The Untangle app supports one, two, or more players. It can help students with visual perceptual problem solving and reasoning skills. The Untangle app can support collaborative skills between students in a fun way. It can serve as an icebreaker for students who will be working on academic group projects. The app provides 9 levels of difficulty, making it suitable for students of all ages. The Untangle icon can be accessed in the miscellaneous section of the elementary or secondary MultiTeach menu. Upon launching the game, you are presented with a menu to choose a level to play. The game keeps track of the time needed to solve the level. In this game, the objective is to make sure none of the lines are crossing each other. This is done by dragging the dots around until all of the red lines are gone. At any point during the gameplay, you can tap on any of the corner menu buttons and select the Help option to display the Help screen. Tap anywhere on the Help screen to dismiss it. Move around the connection points at the end of the lines to untangle them. Unsolved lines are represented in red and the solved lines in gray. Once all the lines are untangled, the level is completed and the game will display the time taken to complete the level. You can tap on the Go Back button to go back to the level selection screen, or you can tap on the next or previous arrows to go to the next or previous level. Tap on the Close App button from the corner menu to close the app. This has been an overview of the Untangle app in Snowflake MultiTeach. For more information, visit these links.